Hey everybody, Jamie at MASC. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So we just got Alchemist's two newest products for 2023. Their Skin Renewal Serum and their Skin Renewal Mask. The Skin Renewal Serum, which is this guy here, is actually the renamed and reformulated version of their Detox Serum, which was always a top seller. So they basically just added some more active ingredients, made it slightly more, or a lot more potent. So what does it do? Well, first of all, let me show you. It's just like a gel serum, nice and lightweight, looks like that, kind of disappears into the skin right away. No real scent to speak of, it's fragrance free. So it's intended to help your skin repair or recover from any sort of environmental aggressors that damage the skin. Also helps to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, repair any sort of oxidative stress that it undergoes. It does help with some fine lines and wrinkles too, so it is somewhat in the anti-aging category as well. So yeah, if you're in the market for a new really potent serum, I definitely recommend checking that one out. And then the second product is just right next to it, the Skin Renewal Mask. I'll show you what that looks like too. So this is it's like a creamy clay mask. It has a little bit of kaolin and bentonite clay. It's a wash-off mask, so you just leave it on clean skin for 15 minutes and then rinse it off and continue with your serum and your moisturizer. It's intended to give your skin that nice sort of healthy glow, so it addresses dullness and dryness. Does it with some really neat ingredients like snow mushroom extract, fruit acids, echinacea, which you can read more about on the website. But yeah, it's just a nice little pick-me-up for your skin. It's gonna leave you looking nice and healthy and glowing. Check them out, the Alchemist Skin Renewal Serum and Skin Renewal Mask on shopmasc.com and of course in the shop in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.